bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Yes, it's normal for joints to crack without pain. This happens when tiny gas bubbles burst inside the joint fluid or ligaments snap over bones. Without pain, swelling, or movement issues, joint cracking is usually harmless. But if you feel pain or notice swelling, it's best to see a healthcare professional.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.